gonna stand beside Dongho. Wow! Louder, louder!
우리 동호 생일 축하합니다.
Make a wish and blow the candle.
동호 형 소름 돋았다. 어우.
Happy birthday! And tell me, what is your wishes?
소원은 말해봐.
Get married soon? Find your girlfriend?
I want to concert in Malaysia soon.
Okay, and the Malaysia team's right here. You're gonna give a big house for Dongho as a birthday gift. And also we have someone from your team, the Yuki's member, gonna give away a present to our Dongho.
Wow. My KC4.
Okay, this is for you. Okay, right now we're gonna have our photo taking section first. Yuki, stay in front and with your cake with the camera right here, alright? Yeah. Thank you.